design project for the 96-97 school year in our ag manufacturing class. In this class, there are three main things: fluid power, electrical systems, quality control. For the class, we have to design a project that would incorporate these things, at least as many as we could. So we decided to take our pneumatic skills and our electrical skills that we learned to make a fence post router. The object of the design project goal was to build a project that would allow you to draw precise holes in a piece of plastic extrusion like this one here. We'll be able to do it quickly and accurately. There's just not a lot of hassle. So we're able to mount up this frame here with a tray right here that holds the plastic extrusions in place. Then we mounted some slides underneath the tray, which have ball bearings so that they slide easily. This rack up here holds precision cut templates that are fully adjustable along the length of the fence post. Then, in order to get these fence posts loaded in here, that's where our pneumatic and electrical skills came into play. Up here is an electrical switch box with solenoids, which are mounted on the back sides with the camera around there. So there's two of them. These solenoids are hooked up to an air supply. Comes into this through this hose here. Runs at about 45 pounds of pressure. When you activate these solenoids with these switches on the front, air is either delivered to these cylinders here, which these are double acting cylinders, which there's one on this end, one on the other end, which is also assisted by a spring. And there's also cylinders mounted underneath so that the drawer can move in and out so that you load it. So we'll demonstrate by first hitting the bottom switch, the template rack moves up. By hitting the top switch, the fence post moves out. And it can be easily removed, right back into position. Now it moves pretty smoothly because of the slides. You get a better view of the slides that are in there now. When you hit the switch again, the drawer slides back into place, back down, hold with the pressure from the air supply, holds the rack down on top of the fence post, keeps it from moving around, so you can go with some accurate holes in there with plunger on. We're going to route some holes in our fence post. First, show us some of the other features of our fence post around there. Up here, we have a shelf that was welded out with some small pieces of angle iron, which holds the router out of the way. And we're going to route our fence posts. We also mounted on the bottom of the front router. There's a special bearing mounted on there, which slides real easily around the inside of these templates, which we'll show you in a little bit. Also, for convenience on the front of our switch box, we mounted some outlets. It's convenient to plug the router in.
Go ahead, add. Anybody wants to add anything, go ahead.
No thanks. It's fine. I think it's time to start. I think we should have Jordan here to show us how to route.
Okay.
Always wear your safety goggles.
lift this back up. By themselves, they were kind of having a hard time. So if you come over to this side over here, we were able to mount some springs on the rod of the cylinder, which give us some help in lifting up the template rack. They're compression springs. Another problem that we had was some instability of the whole thing together. It tended to wobble from side to side. So we put some cross braces for the top right hand side and the bottom left, and vice versa across there to stabilize it from shifting. Another problem we had was the door used to come out, it used to bind up. It would stop about halfway. Stop about halfway, you'd have a hard time getting out. So we had to give these cylinders some free play. So these brackets right here, we loosened up the nuts on them. So the cylinders have a little bit more play. They can shift around just a little bit.
I learned in this class how to use a dial caliper and a micrometer in precision measurement, and I feel that will help me in my goal to become a mechanic.
I learned how to draw schematics in hydraulics, pneumatics.
I learned how to hook up pneumatic circuits and draw schematics, and I also learned electrical blade diagrams.
I learned how to hook up fluid power circuits and the motor. I learned how it works.
Some of the things I learned, like hook up hydraulics, hook up the electrical circuits and pneumatics, draw schematics, which I never understood before, but now I understand.
I learned how to hook up also hydraulic lines and pneumatic lines. I also learned electrical, how to hook up electrical lines too, and I also learned how to work as a team.
The most important thing we learned was working together to accomplish goals such as a design project. It's we're a team. This class is a team. Right, guys? Okay.
I'm Mr. Huseman. I'm the instructor in the ag manufacturing class. You saw some of the members of the class here talking about the class. This design project that they came up with, the idea and the plans and the concepts behind it, worked together to complete that. The course integrates a number of different skills that are used in manufacturing. Those are fluid power, which is hydraulics and pneumatics, electrical relays, wiring circuits, diagramming the circuits, drawing the schematics, and also precision measurements using a dial caliper, a micrometer, different instruments, converting metric to English measurements. This class is an enjoyable class. I think that everyone would agree that's taken it. It certainly is not an easy class. I think that everyone would also agree to that. It's something that takes some effort. You have to stay with it every day, and it really takes some self-motivation. The guys that you saw sitting here on the desk, they really all had that. They worked most of the year through. A couple of them kind of slacked off in the last couple of weeks and could have finished a little stronger, but I'm real proud of them. They did a heck of a job. They did a real good job on this design project behind me. I think they picked up some skills that they'll use in later life, whether they go into the manufacturing field or not. And I'm looking forward to having some of them come back and take the next year in the sequence. Thanks.